Okay.
Go ahead, Hot Rod.
Come on, girl. That's all I got.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're super excited because today is the first actual video we're doing with the ATV. This is an 02 Honda 400 EX and we're gonna make gym weight wheels. And Skylar, how are we gonna do that?
Big hole. Wait, drill bit. This is not drill bit. This doesn't work too well. This doesn't do shit.
So these are the weights we're gonna use. They're just 25-pound bench press weights. And all we gotta do really is pop these studs out. We got some extra bolts already from the hardware store. And we're gonna make ATV wheels out of gym weights. And hopefully we can do some mad drifts.
Dude, I want to do that.
You wanna do what?
I didn't even think about drifting it.
Exactly, that's the whole point in this.
I just wanted to do burnouts, but drifting sounds way cooler.
We're actually knocking out the studs, so get to it.
Give her a good smack. One smack, Ricky.
One smack. Come on, one hit wonder. Come on. Woo!
Is that gonna be like a quack?
The stud literally bent just now.
There it goes.
Woo! That wasn't too hard, was it?
I get the next one.
All right, Zach, give it a twirl.
Twirl.
Let's go.
Full speed, full hammer. Let's go.
Full hammer.
No relief. Hit it harder. Harder. 3.
Wow, 3 hits. How do you feel about that, Sky?
No, f you. This is easier.
1, 2. Oh! 2 swings. God, you're a weak bitch.
Bringing it down to 1.
God, you're a weak.
Let's go. Hold on. Uh-oh. This is cool. Cool. Gabe? I broke it. I'm just kidding. It was extra loose though.
So another thing we gotta do for this video, we actually have to replace the battery. So let's go ahead and do that because this thing is so dead.
Boom shakalaka, 4-wheeler has a new battery. Now let's go break it, Gabe. Yeah, Gabe, master mechanic. Sorry, master ducking mechanic. Gabe, smile.
Mr. Chris has arrived.
Let me make sure I'm not the drunk one. Let me check.
Why would you be the drunk one, Chris?
I'm just checking with the lack of beer going on here, so I want to make sure that I got the... Oh, the proof's in the pudding. Oh, the proof's in the pudding, sweetheart. Oh.
Guys, Gabe said he's going to buy Chris a case of beer. There you go.
Someone in fucking reminded me we went to Walmart. Oh, it's not my fault. I remember
You even were at Wally World where it's $22 for a 30 rack. You kids these days, I swear you
somehow this is my
millennials, you're
fault?
missing like a gene or something.
We're not even millennials.
No, you're totally, or what, you're either millennial or after millennial. What are you then?
Aren't we Gen X?
No, you're not Gen X. I'm Gen X, and I'm old.
So what are we?
We are
You're
Gen
millennials.
Z. We're Gen Z.
GZ, my bad.
GZ.
What does that mean? You guys all have a zombie virus?
Yes.
Brad Pitt's gonna f you up?
That's the biggest joke I ever heard in my life.
He f***ing beat a bear. You sure?
Have you heard how bad this top end noise is?
I warned you. I warned you.
And then he arrives it all the
And then he 12 o'clocked it and landed on top of you. I'm sure you might be pregnant.
There's Chris.
Definitely giving us the name Half-Ass Garage right now.
What?
There's 3 different ones.
Hold on, we're gonna cross pattern. You ready? Bottom left, got it. Top right, got it. Bottom right, top left. Good.
bottom left again.
All right, guys. Weight number 2 going on the ATV. Let her rip, Skylar.
Yeah, that's not gonna work, buddy. I need help.
Oh, okay.
Joe, do your job.
Joe's currently on vacation, coming back from the Bahamas. Give him a minute.
This side's looking good, guys.
Looks like we, thought it out.
Designed and engineered by Novice Co.
Engineered.
Engineered.
Nice and
Dude,
tight.
this side looks so good.
It's fine. It's fine.
All right, let's not touch that one anymore. Nope. Guys, this is crazy. We're making YouTube history right now.
Looks legit. What's the problem?
Yeah. All right, guys, before we actually test drive this thing, Skylar's gonna attempt to bench press it because it's an ATV weight wheel setup. Why not? I mean,
I think he just wants me to drop it on my face.
No, it's only you have 2
It ain't gonna get any uglier, don't worry about it.
Woo!
Alright.
You got it?
There we go. Yeah! 500 pounds right
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Did one.
That is a hell of a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be.
The main voyage, y'all. Here we go. I think they might be unbalanced. Oh my god, this feels so weird. Woo! We're taking them back to discount.
We warranty these weights?
Yeah, dude.
That was a pretty graphic blowout.
Well guys, that side got absolutely obliterated. This side is getting there, so I think it's time we go ahead and do the steel weights. So these should not break. If anything, the ATV will break before these steel weights do. So let's go ahead and put them on.
I want to be famous now.
Send it. Send it. Send it.
Hold on, we gotta use the other, we gotta tie the other one first.
Back and forth, back and forth.
Send it.
That one needs washers.
It does need washers.
Does it?
Can you see the threads?
Send it the opposite way.
I don't know, bro. It's all the way up.
Sending backwards, 10-4.
In the reverse position.
Ah, hold on. I wasn't ready. All right, send it.
No, just keep going.
Go. Top side again. Ready? Yep. Sending. Oh, I'm trying to send, hold on. Sending.
Send it! Sending! Okay, that's stripped.
This one is definitely stripped. All right, let's go.
Oh, it's stripped? Cool, good enough.
The gym weights are on. This is the real deal. No clickbait here. Let's. Perfect. All right, guys, let's give it a whirl. Let's see what happens. All right, so Zach's gonna try and do a wheelie with the gym weight ATV tires.
Yo. Hey.
What?
I didn't know you were having a boy.
It's like a gender reveal. It's on the camera. Holy shit.
He's throwing so much mud at us. Oh my gosh.
I'm the breaker of things, but we're sending it like that now.
It's so close to falling off. This is so bad. Well guys, I think this video was a definite success. I mean, what's funny is this wheel was the sketchy one. We have a bunch of sketchy watcher stuff going on there, and it's actually the wheel that didn't fall off. This one's got some serious camber to it, and yeah, look at that.
It's a little loose.
A little loose. Yeah guys, really happy with how this turned out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. We will see y'all in the next one. If you guys have any ideas, drop a comment below. Skylar, do you have any ideas?
It's time for us to start sweeping this up before Chris kills us.
Mr. Chris has arrived. Sorry Chris. Thanks Chris. Alright, peace. See you guys later. Drop a comment. Adios. I can barely lift them because they're 125 pounds, but
You need 25?
that was a joke, Joe.
You're so stupid.